Turbolock's TL117 is designed around a very simple philosophy: home and office security without the stress. It's intended to add additional peace of mind and functionality to any modern home or business, as well as integrate in a complementing style. It can be easily installed with standard tools and without the help of a technician. Furthermore, it's designed to fit doors between 1 3/8 inches to 2 1/8 inches thickness, so you don't have to worry about the lock not fitting your door. And once it's installed, the easy and intuitive voice prompts will guide you through the entire setup and usage process. The Turbolock TL117 also does a commendable job in securing your home. It allows you to grant up to 10 programmable passcodes for access with more than 1 million combinations. To protect the passcodes from prying eyes, the passcode disguise capability allows you to add up to 12 random digits either before or after the code, as long as the correct sequence is entered correctly. The Turbolock TL117 is also Bluetooth enabled to give it compatibility with the Turbolock Plus app for Android and Apple smartphones. This free app is a centralized platform where you can control and manage multiple Turbolock devices, generate and share encrypted keys, and receive real-time push notifications once the lock is accessed. In case you don't have a smartphone or the internet, the keypad passcodes are stored in the lock's internal memory, allowing you to access your house anytime, even with or without connectivity. To sum it up, the Lockly Bluetooth keyless entry door latch smart lock is undeniably one of the best models on the market. It comes with plenty of features such as remote access control and e-key sharing. And with millions of passcode combinations and the passcode disguise, you can take pride in knowing that burglars have no chance at guessing your codes.